And I'll be very, 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 very honest with you. Just try, blah, blah, blah. No. Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here. How are you? It's time for another card chat video. I'm very, very, very good today. I am getting caught up at work and it is just the best feeling. I've been behind for so long. I can't remember what it was like to be caught up. See, where I work, there used to be 2 secretaries in my office, and the one retired in November, and we haven't been able to replace her yet. So I've been all on my own, Leo, since November, and it's been hard to keep up. But I'm getting there. The school year is winding down. The kids only have a couple more days left, and the teachers only have a couple more days left. So they've stopped bothering me. I can get some work done. So I hope you're doing well. I've been busy trying some new things. I've been trying to start, blah, blah, blah. I've been dying to try a mosaic project as long as I've known Ginger, the yarn geek, because she loves to do mosaics, and it really is a lot easier than it looks, right? So this was just a little swatch that I did. And I also had a good excuse. I needed to use some new yarn that I never tried before. And the yarn is called Sprightly. And I have to say, I've been really happy with it. I've really enjoyed working with it. Yeah, Sprightly. Now, I was able to purchase this yarn at a store called Ocean State, and if you've watched any of my videos, the last 1 or 2, I've been at Ocean State checking out their yarn. And from what I've been told from my viewers who have left me comments, it's that Ocean State is a buyout store. So if a company is going out of business or just trying to unload a bunch of stock, Ocean State buys a lot of that stock and then they sell it at a discounted price. So yeah, these were $2 a skein, and this is 100% acrylic. This one is acrylic and a wool blend, so this one was a little bit more expensive. This one was $2.99. Okay. At any rate, I like them both. I know you really shouldn't mix your acrylics and your wool blends, but this was just a swatch, and I really liked how those colors worked together. So yeah, I did that this week. I'm not sure if I'll continue on with it. It works up this way, so I don't know, maybe I would do something with it, make a scarf or something. I don't know. I really couldn't think of anything I wanted to do with it. I think it's just going to be like a mug rug. You know, something to set my tea mug on. So I've also been working on some amigurumis. This first one was an amigurumi challenge. This is a little jellyfish. It's so cute. I decided to name it Smuckers. You know, jellyfish, Smuckers. If you're not from the United States, maybe you don't know about Smuckers jelly, but that is a brand name of jelly. And so I thought Smuckers was a good name for this little jellyfish. I think he's really, really cute. So the challenge was on Instagram. I believe it's still going on. And it is, I want to say #SummerAdventures. I discovered it through Pink Tomato. That's who I follow on Instagram, where I found this little challenge. So if you're interested, I'll leave more information down here below when I can get to it. He's a little damp because I actually had him hanging on my back porch. I just think he looks cute hanging out there. But he got a little wet from the morning dew, so still a little damp. Okay, the last thing I'm working on, it's in my Emmy bag. Every time I use this bag, Emmy, I think of you. So my son really loves Halloween, and I promised him, sorry for all the crinkling, I promised him that I would make him a voodoo doll. He wants a voodoo doll, just because they're funny. He's not really interested in doing voodoo on anybody. I hope not. Anyway, this is what the voodoo doll is going to look like. It's really cute. This is a pattern by Patricia Stewart. Copyright 1915. No, not 1915. 2015. 1915. Oh my goodness. I don't think she would have been able to take such a good picture of it in 1915. Anyway, I have got the head done. Oh, here's the little head. And I've got the body done, which to me the body looks like the lunar module from the 60s space program. But this is the body, and the head will go together. And I am currently working on the arms. So here's one arm done, and the other arm is started, almost done, but this is all I've got left. So I still have to do the legs. I don't think that's going to be enough. So I think that my son is going to have a driving lesson and drive me down to Joann's or Michael's to get some more of this sugar. Is it sugar and cream? Is that what they call it? Yeah, sugar and cream. I have it in black and I have it in red, but that's just for the trim and for the little heart. So yeah, I'm gonna need some more white. And I'll be very, 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 very honest with you. I'm always honest with you, but I'm going to be especially honest with you. I hate working with this yarn on this project. I do not enjoy it. Not at all. I hope my son enjoys his little Amigurumi guy, because it is so thick and I don't know. It's just not the kind of yarn I like to use for Amigurumi. The stitches are so small, and with this particular cotton, it's like you're just tugging it through every single stitch. And with Amigurumi, you do a lot of increases and decreases, so you're sometimes working 2 stitches into 1, and I'm not enjoying this project. But I'm disliking it enough where I just want to get it done. And it is going to be really cute when it's done. But yeah. The next time I do this project, and I might make more because they are cute, and you don't have to make them into a voodoo. You could certainly, you know, put just a cute face on it and some hair and make it just a doll. But at any rate, the next time I do it, I'm not going to use sugar and cream. It's just not the right yarn for this project. So, that's all I've got. That's what I've been busy doing. I want to finish that one up so I can move on to the next thing. I was telling Ginger and Melanie from Hook to the Left. I was telling them today that I think I have ADHD of crochet. I usually have no problem focusing or anything like that. But when it comes to crochet, I just want to finish the project and move on to the next project and move on to the next project and move on to the next project. And I try really hard not to have a lot of whips, but it's hard. I've got a few whips at home. And I don't want them to become UFOs.
What's wrong with UFOs?
Oh well. It is what it is, right? Okay, so I'm going to let you go. I've got an exciting week coming. It's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and on Friday, just a couple days away, my little baby boy is going to graduate from high school, and I'm so excited about it. Super excited about it. So that's all I've got. Got some shopping to do today. I've got to go get a couple of gifts for some people who helped him to get to this point with graduation, and I've got to cut my father-in-law's hair tonight. I'm not a hairstylist. I have no training other than a YouTube video during COVID. But all of a sudden, he won't let anyone else cut his hair. So, lucky me. All right. Hope you're all having a great day. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.